now we're making an express car wash video. Making the express car wash video. I don't know, you look pretty thrilled about it. Here we go. Waiting for the doors to open. Come on, doors, waiting for our green light. Gotta wait for the green light. This blue minivan is taking his time. Taking his sweet time pulling out of the car wash. Okay, we got a green light. Here come the doors. And now we got to pull in. Oh man, here comes the undercoat. Got the undercoat. Now we gotta wait for a red light. There's a red light. And there they go. Twisting, turning. They spin round and round.
And I don't need to go to this.
This is the one that washes upside down. Here he comes. Getting us all soaked up. There he comes. Getting us all soaked up. There he goes, now he's turning upside down. Alright, now we're all soaked up. Turn on our wipers real quick. There they go. Round and round and round. Round and round.
The new car wash has a man now.
Yeah.